Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and I thought it would be fitting, since I'm just getting over a cold, to share with you some at-home remedies to fight a cold. Easy things that you can do to make yourself get better faster. It's things that I do whenever I get a cold, so I thought, why not share with you, since it is the season right now. So if you guys like these at-home remedies, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So the first at-home remedy I want to share with you is some plain old warm water with lemon and ginger. I take a piece of ginger and use a little grater, a little handheld grater, to grate some ginger, but then I don't put it directly into my water. I take whatever I grated and squeeze whatever juice is in that into my warm water. And then I just squeeze some lemon juice, some fresh lemon juice. Make sure that it is fresh. What this does is that the lemon has a ton of vitamin C, and then the ginger gives you a little boost to your immune system. So both together not only taste really good in my opinion, but they work wonders on your body. Now, I am a huge tea drinker, so this next at-home remedy involves tea. So I wanted to take some green tea, which has a ton of benefits to it, like boosting your metabolism. So I took this peppermint green tea that I got from Trader Joe's, that's a decaf, added it to hot water, and then I added some lemon, ginger, and honey. Now, we already know what the benefits of lemon and ginger are, but the benefit of honey is that it's anti-inflammatory. So I was working with a sore throat, and this was very soothing for my sore throat. And yeah, I just love drinking tea anyways, so this was a treat for me. Now, this next at-home remedy is something that I saw my friend in Switzerland do. Shout out to Nicole in Switzerland for showing me the benefits of onions. So this is just really easy. You cut up an onion, skin and all, and you just place it where you sleep. So like in your bedroom. Now, it's not gonna smell the best, but what this does is that it clears up your sinuses and your congestion, especially your nose. It'll clear it right up, and I found this to be so incredibly effective. You have to give it a try. Everyone has onions at home, so it doesn't hurt to try it. All right, and the last home remedy that I want to share with you is just having a lot of water and vitamin C. I love having oranges, and in my case, I was having a grapefruit that day. I like to peel it ahead of time so that it's no fuss. Take it wherever you go, maybe just at home, upstairs, whatever, but it's easy, it's peeled, it's already in a container for you to just enjoy, but just have a ton of water and vitamin C. All right, there you guys go. Those are just 5 of my at-home remedies that I love using and use every single time that I am either coming down with a cold or already have a cold. It works, and it's all things that you probably already have at home, so there's no harm in trying them out. So if you guys like these types of videos, please comment, like, share, and subscribe, and as always, live life tastefully balanced.